Hello folks, Dave Schulke here. Just want to go ahead and take a moment and review the Pulse Kauai 3 rain shower handheld system. You get this on Amazon. It's a great alternative if you want that rain shower head effect as well as a handheld spray. This is the brushed nickel. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on to give you a bird's eye view as to the shower head. Actually give it thumbs up. It's got a nice downpour, a lot of volume of water. Then right here is the diverter. Very easy to turn to divert the water to the handheld spray. This actually has a lot more force than the rain shower head, so it is nice in the sense that you get two different sprays. It's a great little place to put your soap. All in all, very easy to install. One of the things you have to make sure of is that when you plumb this into the wall, make sure that that has lots of support so you don't have this thing wobbling. All right, here's an up close on the volume. This is the rain. Alright guys, I want to go ahead and show you the handheld spray. Right here. That spray with a little bit of massage. Not real good. This here offers really good if you want to clean your shower, your tub, or a little bit of a harder spray. That's the off position, and then you want to turn it back on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the off. So if you don't want to waste water, it's actually a pretty good feature. So that's the feature of the handheld spray. I rate this 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching.